Hello, welcome to Atlanta Botanical Gardens Junior Chef Cooking Camp. Today we'll be making carrot coins. It's a really simple recipe, just takes 3 ingredients once again. We have carrots, a little extra virgin olive oil, and salt and pepper for seasoning. So kids really have fun with this device here, a food processor. You want to start by going ahead and cutting the tips off of the carrot, and then let the children do the rest. So take the carrot, and you want to just slide it in the food processor. Now take the top off. Press the on button, and it makes really cool circles. One by one. Be careful not to let the children stick their hands too far in. Just like that. You have really cool carrot coins. I'm going to take this off, take my coins, and dump them into the bowl. So you'll get really thin slices of carrots. They look just like nickels. Some may be carrots, and you can use this opportunity to talk about different coins. You'll even have small ones like pennies. You'll take about a tablespoon of olive oil and drizzle it all over the carrots. And then you want to give the students the opportunity to toss. And if they start tossing all over the place, you can use a spoon and stir as well. Then you just want to take your salt and pepper to season. And take those carrots, spread them out all over a nicely sprayed baking sheet. At about 425 degrees, you want to bake these carrots for about 15 or 20 minutes until they come out to a nice, really bright orange color. Take your carrots, stick them in the oven. When they're all done, they'll be delicious. Thanks for watching. See you next time.